Hello, hello. Welcome everybody to September 18th stream for gift. Yesterday was quite choppy. A mistake was made. I have to admit it. But other than that, I think it was a good day. Trying to repeat today. Have another good day today. And try to catch some moves. Pop out, chat out. Turn down the music and should be good to go. Alright, let's go to gold. Weekly, like that. Let's go daily. Daily red. This big wick up. Or I mean this big bullish candle. 4 hourly. Looking a little bit bearish at the moment. I'm inclined to take a short. I mean, I woke up feeling inclined to take a short, so might try that out today. Let's look at why. So first you have the daily. I mean, weekly's kind of bullish, but it's still at the top of the wedge. If you go to this wedge. So now when you go to the daily, you had this big red day. Now you're having a big green day, big reversal today. So with that, sorry, I feel like this is just a liquidity grab to push down lower. I feel like you might push down lower today. Because if you go to the 4 hourly, and this is a true 4 hour, see this doji and then the red candlestick broke this low. This one in theory should continue. Because if you draw the retracement here to here, it hit 61.8% retracement. So with that, I feel like you're gonna get a continuation to test the lows eventually here. So we gotta wait on that. And then when we go to the hour, we can see we had this big move up during Asian session, and now we had this bearish move down to start a New York session. So I just took a short actually. I got in at 51.96 just for the fact we broke this support that was formed during Asian session. Tapped into it, and now we're heading a little bit lower. So go to the 30-minute, yeah, same thing. This 30-minute finished below. The 6 o'clock 30-minute opened up above. So let me get my short. I got a pretty good price. I got it at 51 or yeah, 52. Stop's gonna be at around 54.50. Take profit. I'm gonna get the 40 pips and then leave the rest running. TP, let me just edit that, 1948. And then I'll leave the rest running. So we'll see how this turns out. I do feel like we're gonna get a little bit lower just based off the hour. 30-minute finish below here. So, and yesterday was pretty bearish as well. So we're gonna wait and see for that. 30-minute closing below. I do feel like you're gonna get a bearish move continuation. So we'll see how that one turns out. Then hold the runner, stop at break even, good to go. Now we just play the patience waiting game here. Just for the fact, yesterday was this big bearish day down. There has been, like, it opened up today or last night or yesterday evening and just had a big bullish move up. I feel like you're gonna get a mini retracement and then that's gonna be it for the day. So that's what I'm kind of gunning for right now. So we'll see how that turns out. So it's gonna be above this hour candlestick, previous hour, but with this hour finishing below, piercing through, I feel pretty good about it. Even the 30 minute is what I'm looking at. 30-minute candle went below here. I do expect this one or anticipate it to continue lower. So see how it goes. Isn't a mini downtrend yet a double top? This one hit the resistance level, created a nice level during Asian and early New York, and then it pushed down lower. So with that, I do anticipate a mini move down. And once again, I'm going to get 40 pips and then leave a runner running. I have a pretty good price at 52. Have a little break here, get the impulsive sell, and then leave a runner running. It's Friday though. I don't know how low it'll go, but obviously I'll have a runner going. Probably let the runner go till 44 something. Oh. Yeah, it's a slow move down. I think it'll drop though. Breakdown, retest on the 5 minute. This 5 minutes is going bearish. That's a good indication. So we'll see. And if it breaks this low, then we're good. Go a little push lower. Yeah, there it goes. That's so beautiful, hey? Breakdown, retest, and then it continues lower. Keep fucking up. Make the same mistake. I have my idea of 40 pips and leave a runner going. Runner goes to 80 pips. Take out half and then continue. But yesterday I just got fucking greedy. I'll tell you that much. That was a nice short call over here. But I really should have exited even up here. I held it and made that winner turn into a loser. Trading Voodoo 101. I'll tell you that much. But it's okay though. $20 more pips for this trade, and then yeah, it's not too bad. About to break the lows right here. What is that? Yeah, 1949. Break that low, and then continue lower. Probably in the next 5 minutes. It's close. It's definitely close. Just want to check something. Yeah, this has been way too choppy on silver. I'm kind of happy I got rid of it. Damn, 1 minute. It's all good. The 15 minutes about to close. 15 minutes about to close bearish. The next 15 minutes should continue lower. Hit take profit and then let the runner run. So that's break 49. If it breaks 49, then should be an easy sell down. I feel like it'll get to like 45 area today. That was beautiful though. Yeah, this breakdown, bearish day, retracement upwards. This should continue too. I don't think it'll break today. It's Friday. I don't think there's enough volume. Like if you go to forexfactory.com, is there news? No news today either. So it should just be pure price action trade and break lower. Let me do my thing. This 4-hour looks really nice too. Yeah, this 4-hour theory should continue lower. Broke the previous 4-hour lows. So you made like 10 times in this crypto uni swap listing, recovered your losses, got all my account back funded for Forex trades now. Nice. Good job, throwbacks. Was that in the Tron Casino thing or whatever it was? Damn, good job. 1400 on Ethereum listing for Uniswap airdrop. That's sick. Good job, man. That sounds good. I don't know what it means, but it sounds good. Now you can leverage trade on Binance with Uni ETH. They sold all your bags too. Coin is at 5. Damn, eh? Well, at least you made some profits, right? That's what matters in that situation. You made it back. So good job, man. Thanks. You can keep trading this coin to the moon. Yeah, do it up. Keep trading it to the moon. Seems like cryptos have been on the way up, eh? Yeah, look, that Bitcoin call was nice. It's like good, what, 10% by now? So the 30-minute look, yeah, 30 minutes still looks bearish. I'm anticipating a sell, quick impulsive sell down before it continues up. This is daily look. Theory, it should go lower. Might have to wait till the end of the hour, for it to form. So you had the break, you had the retest, and then you had the push down. We'll see if it has another push down. If it does, it's great. If it doesn't, I'll probably just get out, break even. There we go. So I see it push lower, break 49, and get that impulsive sell down too. Yeah, I'm in a trade. I took a short. So why I took a short. I don't know if you saw it earlier, but yesterday you had this big move down, right? Now if you go lower time frames, this 30-minute broke below, and this 30-minute that's forming right now as 6 o'clock had the big wick up and it's pushing lower. So when you break it down to 5 minutes, you can see the breakdown, and then you have the retest of this area on the 5 minute, and now it's breaking lower down here. So with that, I feel like you might get a continuation even further. I have it at 48 for my take profit, so it's about 6 pips away, 7 pips away now. Yeah, no, I was just playing a continuation of the bearish move. I'm anticipating for further bearish continuation downwards. So about it for that. Nothing too crazy. So TP's at 1948. It's almost there. I feel like we'll get there either this 30-minute or the start of the next 30-minute candle. We got 7 more minutes for this one to finish. That was a 5-minute look. Yeah, 5-minute had this bearish move down. I do feel like you're gonna continue a little bit lower here. So keep an eye out for that. Six pips away from my target. 5 pips. It's just playing games around that area. 52, 48. Close, I'll tell you that much. Very close. Oh, it pushed up a bit, but let's go to the 5-minute. Yeah. Honestly, this 5-minute or the next 30 minutes should push it lower. I'll be keeping an eye out for that. Yeah, I think it's too late for you to get into the straight throwbacks. I wouldn't go into it if I was you. If you're planning to go into it, the best entry was up here because your risk was up here, and then the reward for the 40 pips is a lot easier. Because right now, if you enter, then your stop's basically where my entry was, which is a pretty big and generous stop loss. So yeah, well, you got the bag too. I'm just trying to keep up with you, man. Plus, past few days haven't been so fly in the trading world for me, so it's okay though. Nice, take profit has been hit. That was the trade. No, you're scared of Fridays? Yeah, I'm scared of Fridays too. I feel you on that, man. Don't even worry, man. This was a nice trade though. I'm happy how this turned out. I'll probably do a blog post on it later, but it was pretty well defined. Well, Laid out, planned out, called out, all the good stuff. Run away with the bag, of course. But yeah, if you were here early, you could have seen that entry up here and why I took an entry up there and had that move down for the 40 pips. And yeah, no, with that, I think that was it for the that was it for the day, really. It's like I got a hide screen real quick, but here we go. Yeah, yeah, there's gonna be more moves for sure. You're right about that, 100%. I mean, that was a good trade, 40 pips and let it go. So I'm gonna do that more often here. Because if I had a 40 pipper here, let the runner go, a runner would have been stopped out at the candlesticks. So it is what it is, though. I'm gonna delete these. Damn, that's tanking. Now we chill. Enjoy. Whoops. Second. Chill, enjoy the rest of the day. That's what I was about to say. 30-minute just closed. 30-minute close. Nice bearish here. And in all honesty, if this closes like this, if the 7 o'clock kind of moves up, I'll probably take another short entry, but we'll see. Because then the 4-hour will close. This 4 hours closing pretty bearish as well. So I feel like you might get a continuation down, but only if it gets back up to like the 50s area. An alert for 50. But I don't think it will. I feel like it's just going to continue down. So we'll see. Did the Nuggets play tonight? I'm pretty sure they played tonight. Yeah, they played tonight. Hey, your Nuggets played tonight. You just gotta hope they go down 3-1 and then they can come back. You know what? Lakers always seem to be losing game one. I feel like that's their feel out game. See what the other team's gonna do. So in that sense, I feel like the Nuggets are gonna win tonight. And then they're gonna go down 3-1, and then it's gonna be 3-2. And then the Lakers are gonna win in 6. Sorry, man. They're not gonna repeat 3-1 for the third time in a row. you watch the game yesterday? Actually, yo, sorry, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Oh wow, look at that retracement. This is why securing profits is good. This is why yesterday securing profits would have been good. Gotta secure the bag. With this push up now though, it's a nice 5-minute push up. I don't know where it's gonna head. I gotta wait. Cause the daily is still bullish. 4 hourly bearish. This 4 hourly is bearish too. Hour it just flipped back down again. 30 minute. 30-minute looks interesting. Yeah, the breakdown and the move up Friday. This is an example of Friday. But yeah, no, now we chill. We'll chill, wait for a move. Nothing really happening, right? So yeah, even on Euro, I don't really see a move. I think it's gonna be choppy. Last day of the week, it'll be a choppy one. This is nice though. I saw this in the morning too. That would have been a nice 20 pip trade. Huge breakout. Well defined too. I think he got his 10 pips on this. Let's see. Raja. Oh yeah, he definitely got 10 pips secured on this trade. Go back to my watch list. This one? Damn, this one just ICO'd, eh? 1 hour. Big move up at the ICO. Broke out of this resistance level. Little wedge. Honestly, I wait for support to be created. Kind of consolidate, push up, enter like here or something. It's a nice chart though. It's an interesting one. Just ICO too, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I feel like there's not enough information to tell, not enough levels yet, but you might just see like a retest down here at 4 cents, then a push up, but I think we'll wait and see for that. Swing up Bitcoin. Yeah, this is a nice one. Yeah, support's at like 4.5, 4 cents for that one, from what I saw. Bitcoin looks nice too right now. I'm gonna wait for the candle to close. You get a long all day after retest. Yeah, it's not a bad idea actually. Long all day after the retest. Because if it does end up being a long on that, and that could go up like 100% or something. So yeah, there's like nothing happening right now. Got this move down here. Might see another move down, maybe, but the 15-minute close is pretty bullish. It's turning me away from that trade. How's a 30-minute look? Man, this daily didn't have a bottom wick though. I feel like this might just be a liquidity grab, push down lower, the 46 area. How's a 1-minute look? Maybe I could give me more indication. Actually, can give me a little bit more indication. Pushing up though, so I'm not taking any more shorts as of right now. Taking another short is tempting, but gotta wait here. With this 15-minute close like this, I don't know if it closed like this, then yeah, that would have been better. Confluence on the short, so I am tempted. Not gonna lie. Got 11 more minutes for the hour to close though. Who knows? This hour could close bullish too, right? That's right at that area. That's why you gotta wait. Might be like one more trade for the day, and then that's it. Might set up around like 7:30, but see, we could get that actually. That'd be nice. Another 40 pipper. Damn, wow, that was a nice tank. What price did it hit? Did it hit 51? It did hit 51. But the candle hasn't closed yet, so patience gonna be the play here. If I did want a short, 7 o'clock, I look for a short around 51. Have a stop above here. And ride the wave down. So. It's a nice tank on this. Should continue lower. We'll see though. Time's it 6:53. Yeah, we gotta wait a little bit longer. Gotta wait for the hour, the 30, the 15, all these candlesticks to close. This is why you gotta wait for it to close. It broke lows on the 5-minute, but look at that retracement up. It's 4 hours finishing bearish too. I'm gonna keep an eye on Euro USD. I feel like you can get like a nice 10-20 pip move here. Yeah, with the hour finishing bearish too. Get like a wick up. How's a 30-minute look? Yeah, 30-minute looks good too. Wick up, breaks the low. 35. Get a nice impulsive move down. So we'll see. Still 5 minutes left. I feel like if the next hour opens bearish a little bit, that'll be a pretty good indication. So I think we just gotta wait a little. See how the next hour opens up. 4 more minutes until the hour closes. Three more minutes till the hour closes. That was a nice liquidity grab, push up. So, I mean, we caught that short. That short was pretty nice on the catch. Two more minutes or a minute 45. It's the waiting game now. Can't overtrade. Just gotta be patient. Let the move set up. Kind of go from there. Silver's so choppy. Chalky, choppy. This might be a long too. Fridays, scary, man. You're right. Throwbacks. If you're still here, Fridays are not good. Scary days to trade. Tough days to trade. Okay, so the hour closed. Hour closed bullish. Yeah, I gotta careful here. Oh, you're here? Yeah, I was just saying you're right. Fridays are not the best day to trade. Very choppy. Very choppy. Yeah, with this hour finishing bullish, I don't think the shorts are justified as of right now, but maybe eventually. Maybe as this flips bearish, hey? Liquidity grab and then the push down. Yeah, that's the short right here. Actually, I just got into one at 51 again. So 51 is my price on the short. It's gonna have been just a big liquidity grab to push down lower. My stop's gonna be above the wick. It's around 53.50. So right now I'm gonna short at 51 again. 53.50-ish is my stop loss, and I'm expecting a retest of the lows, or anticipating that to happen. We'll see though. I'm in half position, nothing too much at the moment. You know what? I'm rather long Euro USD. This is a long, isn't it? Yeah, never mind. I got out of my short on that one. I'm actually long in Euro USD. I feel like Euro USD has a nicer opportunity right now, so it's gonna be my trade. So I'm long right here. Stop loss is gonna be below the candlestick, and take profit is gonna be around 10 pips at 57. So this trade's done though. Because yeah, this hour, both these hours, liquidity grabs, kind of pushing up here too. So keep an eye out for that. TP is at 150 or 1858.57, 1.1857. Get 10 pips on that. Should be pretty quick and easy here. Little push up higher. Yeah. Now I'm 6 pips away from the take profit. Yeah, Cowboys. Cowboy entries. Right. Ooh, that's tanking though. Yeah, I got out of my euro. I think I'm over trading. I think I'm done trading for the day. I'm way over trading right now, so I have to put it out there. I got out of this. I'm over trading. I got out at break even. There's no point to keep trading and trading and trading on Friday. The greed kicks in. That damn greed. I'll just watch. I feel like this is gonna continue lower, so I'm just gonna give that as an example. I feel like this is gonna go lower. I feel like it'll test down here, 47 again. Probably head lower. So 7 o'clock hour opened up bullish. Started to retrace a bit. So I feel like with this retracement, you might get a continued move. It was just a retest of the previous support created. But yeah, we'll see how that turns out. I don't really like this. I don't like it for the fact that this 4 hour closed pretty bearish. That's one of the reasons I was turned away from it when I was looking at it on a more holistic approach. But yeah, no, we'll see how this one turns out. Do feel like it'll head down a little bit. Maybe into 8 o'clock or something, it'll head down, but it's looking pretty good right now. Just stuck with the short on this, but it is what it is. Yeah, you're gonna get that nice sell into New York session. How deep can it go? I don't know. If you were to take a short where I took a short, it would have been at that 51 area. Would have been here. The stop loss would be up here. First take profit here. So I think that's like 40 pips. Yeah. But you never know. Could drop more. So just off the structure alone, you break this low and what you got like 6 more minutes till the candle finishes, but you look at the 5 minute, 5 minutes finishing pretty bearish. This is a good indication on the lowest set of time frames that this is going to continue lower. So Feel like you can get an impulsive sell downwards, and then with that, you might get like 45 or something. Yeah, I feel like you could probably hit 45 today. Get the impulsive sell down, 8 o'clock, get another impulsive move. When this 4-hour opens, as you can see, this 4-hour doji bearish, and then 45. Yeah, I feel like you can hit down here. The reverse upwards. I didn't trust this because of the 4-hour. You charted Euro USD. Let's see it, man. Send me the chart. Yeah, no, this one's bearish. This one's gonna head and fill the wick on the 4-hour. Yeah. If you look after something like this forms, it usually continues lower right here too. Yeah, this is a perfect example. Bearish, bearish, break support. Should go lower in theory. So send me your Euro USD chart when you get the chance, throwbacks. All honesty, if this 15-minute finishes bearish like this should continue lower. And 45 should be the target for the day. Nice. Yeah, this is gonna push down. I feel like the push down is gonna happen around 7:30. Man, I should have stuck with my short here. Fuck. That would have been nice. But I thought I caught myself kind of over trading, so I had to slow it down a little bit. Yeah, these are buys for sure. What are you looking for here, though? Is that a support? Are you looking for buys or are you looking for shorts? Because in my opinion, on Euro USD, when you go higher time frame downwards, it's in this big ass range. I feel like it's gonna break next week or something. It should break sooner or later here. Right? Weekly, bunch of indecision. You're in buys. Short term, I don't know. I don't trust the buys because when you look at the 4-hour, the previous 4-hour closed red. So I feel like this 4-hour is gonna continue lower a little bit down here. But yeah, no, these hour candlesticks, if you base it off the hour liquidity grabs, this one's tough to trade in my opinion. I wasn't biased too, but the 4-hour turned me away from it just for the fact that this finished red. Usually you can get another red one. Like this is a liquidity grab. I feel like this is gonna push down a little bit into 7, 8 o'clock. And as you can see, it's doing the same thing on the lower time frames. When you go to 31 hour, 30-minute, yeah, this big liquidity grab, push down. And I think short term, you might get a sell to like 118.30 or 118.20. on a short-term basis. Yeah, 15-minute closed red too. So I'd be careful of the long right now. And on the buys, like your stop loss would be below this candlestick, which is 118. Let's just go 118.34 would be the stop loss for that, right? So then you gotta watch it. If this starts breaking the previous low, so if it breaks like 118.42, 118.41, I feel like if you have a sell there, your stop loss is gonna be 10 pips. You get 10 pips, but we'll see how it ends. I mean, the 30 minutes still open, right? So anything could really happen at this point. I'm basing it like 4-hour time frames bearish. The hourly, I feel like you could get a push lower too, but we'll see. Let's check out the dollar index. Maybe that'll help give us an indication. Yeah, dollar index is kind of pushing up a little bit right now. That usually means the opposite for euro. Anything against the dollar will go down at that point. So I think we gotta wait and see for that. Pushing up now. You know what? I'm trusting my analysis on this. I got a position at 50.80. What was that price? Yeah, 1950.80. I got a position. See if my analysis plays out on this trade. I'm entered a short right here. I'm having my stop at 53.40, 53.50. Right now, I'm gonna play 50 pips, so it'd be 46.80. It's gonna be tough to trade this on a Friday though. Oh yeah, the longs are playing out. See, yeah, pushed up. That might be a good play. Patience is gonna be the biggest key. Throwbacks. This trade's turning out nice again. And if this 30-minute finishes bearish, I feel like you might get the bearish continuation into 7:30 to 8 o'clock, and then that's it. Done for the day after that. This one's pushing up though. Yeah, I guess the 15 and the 30 do indicate longs, the 30 especially. Still sketched though. This fucking 4 hour does not suit me at all. 1 hour. 1 hour looks nice for now. You gotta wait till it closes though. Hey man, it's like you said, Fridays should scare you off. Weird movements on Fridays. Got 10 more minutes for the close. Straight might get out a little bit earlier. 47 maybe, 48, 50. 48 probably too. 48 would be a good price to get out at. Yeah, this push down on Euro. I feel like it's more of a short. Yeah, higher does equal stronger trend. Higher time frame does equal stronger trend. Like you can see here on the 4-hour push down, that's a trend. Push up, that's a trend. I feel like you might get that little push down for a trend too. We'll see though. Even on this one, right? Like you have that push down. This one, I'm anticipating another push down on it, but we'll see how it turns out. You know what, throwbacks? Buys can still be validated too. If you did have buys, if you did want to enter buys, then you have your stop loss right here, right? And that's kind of validated in that sense. So be patient with that one. But yeah, based off higher time frame, I do feel like this is gonna head lower. 10 pips or so. Because you have this break here, break a structure, retest. I feel like this is gonna head lower. So stay safe, man. The other thing with this trade is like you have like a lot of conflicting analysis points here, right? Like I used to I like having all my time frames confirm my analysis. So when I look at it, like yesterday was bullish on Euro USD, today's kind of like indecision, so that's not giving me much. This one straight doji too is not giving me much information. When you go to 4 hour, you have the previous bearish candlestick finishing below the support. You have a little retest here. I feel like this is gonna push lower at the open. Here on the 1 hour, it's giving me different information too. Like you had this break lower, you had this whole liquidity grab over here, little push up, and the 7 o'clock pushed up with it. Even the 30-minute too, the 30-minute finished bullish here, and this 30-minute pushed up, but in reality, this should have pushed up higher if it were to continue. The 15-minute, you can see it's just tapping into this zone right here. So it's tapping into like this whole liquidity grabbing area. So with that, I don't know. I feel like there's too much indecision, misdirection on this trade right now. So I can't really give you proper analysis on it. I have no trade for it. I'm more inclined to go with the short. I feel like the US dollar is kind of reversing upwards too. Yeah, the US dollar is kind of pushing up higher, which will cause Euro USD to move down. Just in that sense, we should see it move. But we'll see. New York is about to open. I mean, yeah, on the euro, there's no trend. You're right. Oh, it's a month. Look, like this is a trend. That's a trend. That just buys every day. This right here, this is just a range. No trend, no nothing. Mini trend down, mini trend up. I feel like it's pushing lower though. There is no trend though. Like you could only base trends off lower time frames right now, not higher. Like this is bullish, bearish, bullish. So here it would have been like easy, just go for longs here. Here, go for shorts here. Here, I feel like you're gonna get another opportunity for the short side play. So just watch it. Yeah, this is gonna tank for sure. I have a good feeling about this one. Get the liquidity grab up here, a little push lower. You got 2 more minutes till it closes. This candlestick's red too. Yeah, I don't trust the long. Mm-mm. 14 seconds. $30 gonna close. 30-minute closing bearish here. Retest bearish. Yeah, this one should continue. Have like a little nice move up, then push down lower. Shit, even if it pushes down lower right now, I think I'm gonna get out. So I'll just 30-minute close. This 30-minute close doji. Yeah, I got out of this trade. I pretty much made up for my over trading losses, to be honest with all y'all. So I want to check out Euro, see if it actually does that. I feel like it's gonna go down. So see if it actually does on 30 minute. 30 minute broke this low right now. 15 minute, how's that look? 15 minute doesn't look too bad actually. 5 minute. One hour. 30. I think if the 15 breaks its low, I might take the short or I might take the long, depending how this candlestick goes. I think 40, yeah, 118.40 would be my short if it were to enter. As for my long, it would be, I think, yeah, my long would be, my long would have to be patient. Oh, wow, this dropped. Look at that call, man. That's going to drop. I'm going to watch this Euro trade. Right now, I have a sell stop at 40. Maybe get like 5 pips or something out of it. Fuck, I don't know. That was a nice drop on this trade, though. Wow. Oh, it's pushing up. Never mind. Scratch that. Wow, that was a big push up on gold at the market open. Good thing we got out of that. I'm watching this. I don't know, to be honest. I kind of want to see what it does. I feel like there is going to be a move, though. Short or long to be decided. Just based off the 4 hour, I am kind of more in the short side for it. I feel like this is going to continue to fill the wick at least at 118.30. But based off the 1 hour, depending how this goes, yeah, it has to break 40. If it breaks 40, it'll go down. But if it stays above 40, I think it could have room to go higher. So we'll have to wait and see for this one. Where's 40? And then you have your stop up here. There it goes. Couple more pips. Maybe I'll enter, actually. So if I did enter this trade, it would be 40. You know what? I took a gauger. Took a gauging position right now. Gauger on the short. I think I'm over trading though. It's all good. You're gonna get a push down in here eventually. I just took this gauger. I want to see if my analysis plays out. That's the only reason I took it. Stop loss. What's this bid? 45. Yeah, stop loss is 46. Entry is around 41. TP 31. Then obviously hold a runner, right? So intraday should head lower. See throwbacks, this is what I was talking about with the 1 hour, man. Straight crashed and burned. Fuck, it's crazy. Wow, if this breaks the low, holy, that's gonna tank. I'm gonna hold a runner to like 25 areas, so. This is dropping too, eh? Wow. Nice, trade done. Got out of this one. The short played out. Got my 10 pips. Did you get that trade? Throwbacks? Hope you saw what went into it, like my whole analysis process into it. Hold on, I gotta have my screen real quick again. Gotta open up some stuff. we go. It's tanking even more now, but oh, that's gold. Sorry, gold's tanking even more. Sorry, I'm just updating my log. Got some goals gonna hit, and then go from there. So plus, I do feel like on gold here. Yeah, I'm done trading for the day now. Here, let me show you on gold what I feel like might happen. Monthly is kind of indecision at the moment. Weekly, if this weekly finishes bullish, can I zoom in more? Why can't I zoom in more? So this is a weekly right now. If this finishes bullish, I'm more inclined to take the long side. You had this big bull move up, move down, support created, breakout, and if this breaks out, you're going to like 2,000 probably. I remember there was a level in there at 2,000 I saw. So it's the one thing I'm gonna be looking out for on this trade. Yeah, I feel like if you get a break below today's low, you're gonna head a little bit lower. Let me just set my alert at 1941. Let me reset chart first. Yeah, if you break today's low, you're probably gonna head lower here, but then you should push up. But if you do break this day's low and you get a push lower, I feel like you could easily test the lower end of the range too. So I'll keep an eye out for that. Obviously, secure profits. I think that's gonna be my big goal coming into the week. Secure my damn profits. Save that there. Restore chat here. This is gonna head lower, isn't it? Oh, damn, that's going down. Man, I ain't gonna get too greedy today. I just call the wick fill on that. This one's heading down. 45 was the target, and see if it actually hits 45. See, that's a thing. I can always re-enter, right? Like I exited on this bearish move down, retraced all the way up. There's always a point to re-enter for a second trade. Might keep that in mind for next week. How's silver look? So choppy, holy. Well, actually, holy, that dropped quite a bit. I can't watch it. Here we go. 30-minute looks nice. Should see a continuation move down. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream there. Thanks, throwbacks, for tuning in. Catch you next week. I'll do analysis and simulations over the weekend too. If you're on the computer over the weekend, just tune into the stream. I'm gonna start up the analysis and simulation. Other than that, I hope everybody has a